In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Glide. Buttons are a simple way to guide your users to the right place or trigger an action with a single tap. And setting them up takes just a minute once you know where everything lives. First, head over to Glide and log in. Once you're in, open the app project where you want to add the button. This takes you into the builder, where you can see your app preview and all of your configuration panels. On the left sidebar, choose the page or screen where you want your button to appear. This sidebar lists your app's tabs and screens, so make sure you're on the exact screen your users will see. It helps to click through a couple of items in the sidebar to confirm you're editing the right place before you add anything. With the correct screen selected, look for the Add Component option and click the plus icon. This opens the component tray. From there, select Button. Glide will drop a default button onto your current screen, and you'll immediately see it in the preview. If it doesn't look like it's in the right spot, don't worry. Its position follows your component list for that screen, so as long as you added it on the correct screen, it will appear where users expect it. Next, look to the right sidebar. This is where you decide what the button does. You'll see an action or behavior setting that lets you choose the outcome when someone taps it. Common choices include navigating to another screen, opening a link, or triggering an automation or flow. Pick the action that matches your goal, then review any related options that appear so the button does exactly what you intend. As you adjust settings, use the preview to verify how it behaves, and make sure the text and look fit your design and context. When you're happy with the setup, go to the top right corner of the builder and click Publish. Publishing saves and pushes your changes to your live app, so your users will immediately get the new button once the update is complete. If you're still experimenting, you can always review in the preview first, then publish once everything is ready. That's it. Your button is live and ready to help your users take action quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.